Welcome! If you're looking to make your browsing experience more personal and efficient, changing the homepage in your Google Chrome app is a great place to start. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to set your favorite website as your homepage in the latest version of Chrome. First, open the Google Chrome app on your device. It's the familiar, colorful circle icon, and you'll usually find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once Chrome is open, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the menu button. Tap on those dots to reveal a list of options. From the menu, tap on Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize various aspects of your browser. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Homepage. Tap on it. Here, you'll notice you can either use the default homepage or set a custom web address. To make your browsing truly yours, select the option to enter a custom web address. Tap on the field and type in the URL of the website you want as your homepage. For example, if you want Google as your homepage, just enter www.google.com. If you have a favorite news site, blog, or any other page you visit often, enter that address instead. Once you've entered your preferred web address, simply go back or close the settings. Your changes will be saved automatically. Now, every time you tap the Home button in Chrome, you'll be taken straight to your chosen website, making access to your favorite content quicker and easier. And that's it. In just a few taps, you've customized your Chrome experience. If you ever want to change your homepage again, just repeat these steps and enter a new address. Thanks for watching.